Hey guys, Mr. Lawler here. Good morning, good afternoon, whatever time it is. So, I got up today and I had a huge surprise. I had over 200 subscribers. Thank you so much to my big fans. Remember to keep telling people to subscribe. If we get over 300 subscribers, you know what's coming to you. A Roblox video. So, since I got a big surprise, I have a surprise for you guys. I'm going to unbox this Kinder Surprise egg for you on camera right now. Should we go ahead and crack this open? Here it is. This beautiful Kinder Surprise egg. You'll see you've got a shimmer on the surface, metallic finish. Okay, this is a genuine egg. Ingredients inside, 0 to 3 months. Is a sad face, so you can't eat this unless you're over 3 months or maybe over 3 years. So let's take a look here. You gotta peel back the foil. That's chocolate inside. What? That's real chocolate. Oh, completely brand new unbroken egg. Look at that. Whoa. Right. That's the best way to open this. Yeah, satisfying. Ooh. Making a mess everywhere. Gotta sample a little bit. Ah, chocolatey. Very nice. It smells like chocolate. This is incredible. Look at this. Milk chocolate. White chocolate. Babe, you want some of this chocolate?
Yeah. Inside now.
Do you want this one?
Yeah. So unfair. Thank you.
You're welcome. No. Apparently these are impossible to open. Looks like I've just cracked it open. What's this? Oh, sweet. It's a little car. Get this delicious chocolate out of the way to eat later. I've got instructions in every language. Got a magic QR code there. Let me bring you a little bit closer. Looks like what you gotta do is put the top of the car on top of this bit of the car. Whoa. You ready for this? Can't really figure it out. These instructions are too complex for me. What? Okay, let me read the instructions more carefully. Okay. It says lower the car onto the wheels, but that's clearly already done. And this, you've got to ram it back into the thing and then shoot lightning out of it and push it or something. Or you can put it on the top. I don't understand. Okay, you can put it on here. This is ridiculous. How is this a children's toy? Ah, there we go. Whoa. Oh, I'm ready for this now. I think I know what's about to happen. Thought I was gonna come shooting out. Whoa, cool. You just push that button and it totally like comes apart. Sweet. Should we see if there's anything else in this egg? What? Look at that. Oh, I gotta get that box out. This. What else is in this box? Ooh, got your paperwork there. Hello. Got my SIM remover. Got my decals. What's this? Comes with AirPods? Oh, no. Comes with headphones that stick in like normal. They lost the headphone jack. Now we just got this. Okay, got a charger cable. Pretty standard British charger. Same. Okay, that's pretty much it. Haven't quite figured out this racer yet though. Sweet. So I hope you guys really enjoyed that unboxing surprise. That's pretty much all I have to say. Don't forget to click like and subscribe, and then soon we'll be at 300. And then it's going to be really awesome. Have a great day, guys.